Hello everyone, I'm going to present our project Generative AI Assistant for Domain Specific Code and DevOps Automation. This system is designed to automatically generate boilerplate code, test cases, and documentation based on the user's project type. We implement the solution based using Python, Flask, and VS Code, and the logic is powered by the structured data set. I have given some of the project titles like REST APIs, to do apps, and chatbots, and some more. And the backend retrieves the project type, processes based on the code generator, test generator.py, and doc generator. We also incorporated basic DevOps automation concepts. Our assistant can generate lightweight CI/CD pipelines templates such as GitHub Actions, workflow files, and then the software tools used here is Python for backend, and Flask for web interface, and VS for IDE, GitHub and GitHub for Git and GitHub for version control, and normal front end for HTML and CSS. With the project type we have given for supported is calculator, REST API, to do app, weather app, contact manager, file manager, simple calculator, banking app, and some other things. And we can also do enhancement by giving it as for every languages, and add more domains like ERP modules, embedded system, and add user authentication for web interface, and CI/CD pipeline for automatic code testing, and then code syntax highlighting in web output. And then how I have given is, let's get into it. This is the data structured data set I have used for JSON file. And then I've given some of the project types, and in index.html, basic HTML and CSS for good front end, and then main.py. In this we have given the modules so that it will extract the content from here. And then code.generator will generate the code based on the project type given by the user. And then test.generator will test the cases. For example, we'll do it here. And then document.generator will provide the documentation for the project file we have given. Let's run this. Here it has given here like this. In this I'm going to put the project type. For example, I'm giving it as calculator means a basic code it will generate. Here the result for calculator, it has generated a code, and then it automatically given a test cases, and then it has given some documentation. Let's do for some other thing. Let's go with to do app. For to app it doesn't gives like no boilerplate code generator, so we have to give it as to do app. It has given us generated code, test cases, and documentation. And then a simple chatbot. Simple chatbot generated code and test cases. It will given the test cases and the documentation. And our project has given. Overall, our generative AI assistant reduces manual development effort by producing ready-to-use code, test the documents, and the basic DevOps scripts within seconds, making development faster, consistent, and more efficient. Thank you.